Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we'll be doing an update on how to speed claim. Speed claiming is when you claim from multiple faucets at once as fast as you can for 3 minutes straight. It's an easy way to earn free crypto and start saving money. Get started by signing up to all 3 sites listed below: Crypto Earns, Only Faucet, and last but not least, Faucet. Faucet's dashboard is at the top. Now go back to Crypto Earns. After you log into Crypto Earns, your dashboard is on your left. Select Faucet and choose the coin you want to claim. Today I'm going with PerHour. Next, solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Now select the Claim Now button below the puzzle. Great! The coins go directly to your Faucet Pay account. Next, go to Only Faucet. The dashboard is on the left, just like Crypto Earns. Choose your coin and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. You can also do Shortlinks to earn more money. Great. That's it, your claim is made. Okay, now quickly go over to Faucet. Faucet's dashboard is at the top. Select Faucets and choose your token. Now solve the CAPTCHA. If any ads pop up, make sure you click them out. Do not click on any pop-ups. Great. Keep going back and forth through the faucets, claiming for at least 3 minutes. I'm going to speed up the footage while I make a few claims. Each faucet has a small timer. The timer should run down while you're going back and forth between tabs. This is a good way to earn multiple tokens at once. I'm claiming TON, USDT, and PerHour at the same time. You can claim 3 different coins at once, or you can triple down on one coin. It's whatever strategy you choose. When you're done claiming, go to your Faucet Pay account to make sure you have been paid. Perfect. Here you can see all my claims have been deposited into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Support my channel by liking and subscribing.